So I was doing some scrolling through some of the videos I've already uploaded, and I realized that I have not made a video, and I apologize about the lighting. Not made a video on the SRT4 in 7 months. So that is changing now. I went ahead and started working on getting the alternator removed. It's already off the car. It is on the back side of the motor. I've already taken off this driver's side or passenger side wheel and the passenger side axle. So that is what we made it to today. This thing looks good, man. Yo, this thing looks good. This is my first time seeing this since the color change. As the dogs go crazy. But that boy got the wheel in there. This thing looks crazy, man. He got the duck bill. Daniel, y'all don't ever disappoint, bro. Y'all don't ever disappoint. That boy Louise about to get me right. Who? Why can't you be happy? I was happy when you got your axle in. Oh, man.
Yeah, we were sad when it broke, though.
You was sad when it broke. No, I was sad. I wanted you to be outside. That was not okay, Randy. That was not okay. This man just violated me. My boy Luis putting in work for me. I love my boys, man. No more fat Rezzy.
You don't know how to weld. It's because I heard that. I ordered a lid, bro.
That boy Luis got me right. I love you. That boy got me right. This thing is gonna sound crazy. Alrighty, so I am going to be ending the video here. I've been working on this footage for about a week now. Honestly, as I almost lose my life to an exhaust. Honestly, now we're just in the waiting phase. So as I told you guys earlier in the video, the alternator is off. I do have an intercooler as well. It's pretty thick. This thing is gonna look sick when we put it on the car. It's gonna definitely bring that front end to life. We will be getting rid of that mesh in there as well. There is a black styrofoam piece that is going to have to come off of the support frame. We're going to have to remove that little bracing for the front end to make the intercooler fit. Back to this exhaust again. Huge shout out to my boy Luis for getting this hooked up for me out exactly like I wanted it to. Some nice clean welds. This thing now with the resonator deleted, it has a open dump and as well a cap delete. And now that we've deleted the resonator, this exhaust is going to basically be straight piped from the exhaust all the way back. I do plan to get an electric cutout as well. It'll roughly come out around the center point of the car, and it'll give us a lot more turbo noises. So I do look forward to hearing that. And I did just keep this the resonator just in case further down the line, you just never know. And then that is the 3-inch tips there of the OBX. This thing is going to sound insane. Like I said, that is going to virtually do it for this video. We are just waiting on parts to arrive now. I mainly made this video because I realized I haven't made a video on this car in over 7 months. I haven't really had anything going on for it. I did get it up and running about a month or two ago, and then ran into the issues of the alternator and also some drivetrain things that I took care of as well. Everything on this car has been tightened up. That alternator's put on. Everything should be good to go. No other issues. I do also have the rear brake set up for this car. I just have to get calipers. I already have the discs, so those will get changed as well. I appreciate you guys supporting on the videos recently. In general, across the board, I appreciate the support. Any questions about the car, plenty more content to come. A lot more detailed videos. I just got my tripod back, so unfortunately that's why I wasn't able to record taking the car apart. But expect to see more footage of disassembling it in the next videos to come. Appreciate you guys as always. Always stay safe out here, and I will catch you guys in the next video.